We're picking our colors for our orange color challenge. We're gonna get all the markers with the code YR for orange. I think it stands for yellow red, because what does yellow and red make?
Orange.
That's right, orange. All right, so let's look for all the YR codes. You start while I count how many there are. Okay, so there's 18 YR codes.
Oh, this is true orange.
Yeah. Maybe it's a sign that I'm gonna win this challenge.
YR. YR. Is that it?
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15. We need 2 more, I think. Cool. All right. Let's move this aside. Ooh.
Okay, all the ones I use, I'm gonna hand them to you.
Here's our paper. I found a little bishop piece.
That's not a bishop, that's a queen.
Oh, you're right.
This is a queen. It's
You're
not a bishop.
This is the bishop.
You can start with 1.
Okay, thank you.
Because I do it fast.
How generous of you.
Can I start?
No, not yet. That's how you win all the time. Okay, Art Along friends, we are doing the orange color challenge today. You ready for this? Hey, don't start yet. So we have 18 shades of orange color, so the YR code in our Ohuhu Honolulu series markers. And we're going to draw 18 different orange things. Right, Mia?
I have the passion for drawing.
Okay, so we'll see who wins. And we're gonna tell you what colors we are using too as we go. Ooh, this one's Tiger Lily, YR172.
I'm using cream.
Cream, cool.
And I'm done using cream.
Like an orange creamsicle. Hey, Mia started early. Okay, Tiger Lily.
These two look exactly the same.
It does? What do you think, Art Along friends? Are these shades the same?
Well, this is... What is this?
Moccasin.
Don't know.
Yeah.
Just FYI, this is an orange.
Oh. Kind of looks like a strawberry. Sorry. I'm gonna win this. Tiger Lily, alright.
Oh, I know.
This one is dark yellow. That, my friends, is a very ripe banana.
Too ripe. That's smushy.
Yeah. How do you like your bananas?
Just right.
Just right?
Just right. This is orange.
Okay. Orange. I'm just gonna add some details.
This is like skin tone.
Light orange? Cool.
I'm gonna draw a candlestick.
This is an orange popsicle. With my orange, YR3. So YR070 light orange.
What are you drawing?
These are little boots.
Oh.
Light orange. And Art Along friends, we did some other color challenges, right?
Mm-hmm.
What colors did we do?
Pink, blue, and purple.
And green.
Oh yeah, I won all of those.
Yes, Mia did win all of the art color challenges so far. Yellowish Brown. Yeah, and everybody, you can check out our color challenges on our channel. This one is Cadmium Orange, YR190.
This one is lipstick orange.
Really? base. Lipstick orange.
I need tiger.
You need tiger lily again?
I didn't use tiger lily.
Oh, you're right. Cadmium orange. Okay, lipstick orange.
It's a little fairy house.
Cool. What do you think about the color orange?
It's pretty nice.
Yeah. What about the word orange?
Orange is an orange.
Uh-huh.
In preschool, my teacher asked me what fruit she had for lunch, and she said it's orange. And I was like, okay, so what's orange? Carrot. And she was like, no, I had an orange.
Yeah, orange is also a fruit, huh?
Yeah, so I was confused.
It's just called orange. What rhymes with orange?
Orange.
Porridge? What's porridge?
It's porridge, and you put an orange in it. Porridge.
Okay, this one was peach pie. YR090. This one is marigold.
Chrome.
Chrome orange? Ooh, fun. YR170. Chrome orange. This is marigold. Carmine Red. YR030. This is a little towel, by the way.
Oh.
Carmine Red. Melon Yellow. Cool. I'm going to draw a little melon slice. Salmon Pink. Salmon. Hey, what are you doing? You have other colors? This one is called Yellowish Shade, YR220. That's interesting. It's almost like just a shadow. That's a hand. Yellowish Shade. Mellow Peach. Mellow Peach, YR110. Wow, I like your crayon. This one's Terra Cotta. YR5.
I'm done.
You're fine. You're done? It's a little jar of some sort. Don't draw more. That was Terra Cotta. Chrome orange, YR170. And where are you going? Oh, I need to catch up. Moccasin, YR250. I'm drawing a little.
Well, this is an orange.
It is?
Round orange. Round orange. I'm not sure. If
Rouge orange. Yeah, that one's a Y code though, huh? Guess what that is?
A dream catcher.
That's right. I think I get extra points for originality.
No.
I don't?
No.
Okay, that's a cupcake. With my cream, YR240. Hey! Ooh, this is a fluorescent orange, FY020. This is not part of the YR code, but we're apparently going above and beyond.
Hey, you can't use those.
Why not? You're using it. This is glow-in-the-dark slime in a jar.
Stop.
You stop. What are you making? Okay, which one was your favorite? Which orange is your favorite? The fluorescent orange? You have to pick between the YR codes. Mine was peach pie. This one. YR090.
I like orange.
Orange? Just orange?
Yeah, this is orange.
Yeah. Just orange is YR3, right? Mm-hmm. Orange is so fun. I'm gonna draw some fire too. Yeah. I'm gonna use the Terra Cotta again for some firewood. Hey, you're still drawing. Maybe you should stop.
I'll stop if you stop.
Okay, I'm stopping. Hey, you haven't stopped.
I'm done.
I think we know who won. You wanna count?
You count first.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
25? What's that?
A circle.
What's that?
A box.
A box? What's that?
A square.
Okay, next time I'm gonna draw a whole bunch of shapes too. What's that?
A boot.
What's that?
A squiggle.
Oh, my squiggles don't count.
No, this is a fire.
Are you sure? Okay. All right. Mia wins the orange challenge. So art along friends, challenge yourselves to draw all things orange with us.
And I'm planning to claim my victory again next time.
Okay, we're running out of colors, huh?
Let's do...
Yeah.
Did we do yellow?
We haven't done yellow. It's the Y code.
Did we do pink?
We did do pink.
Red?
We haven't done red.
Oh.
We haven't done the R code or the Y code yet. Okay, so it's gonna be one of those.
Gray.
Yeah, we haven't done these either. None of these actually.
Or these?
Yeah, the browns, the grays,
And the really light colors.
the fluorescent colors. Yeah. Well, art along friends, come art along with us.
Like and subscribe to Art Along.
Bye.
Bye.